discuss about auto vacuum in PostgreSQL. What is auto vacuum? It is a background utility process that starts automatically when you start PostgreSQL. The background process will do vacuum on the table and analyze on the table frequently. Why is auto vacuum needed? Vacuum remove the dead tuples so the space of occupied by dead tuples can be reused by the table for the next transaction. Analyze will collect the latest statistical information of the table, which is the statistic information are used by the query planner to prepare the better execution plan. What is the use of auto vacuum? It ensures the PostgreSQL heals itself and stops the database from developing more blot and fragmentation. How to enable auto vacuum? To enable this parameter for auto vacuum, first one is auto vacuum equal to on. By default, it is on only. Track underscore count equal to on. By default, it is also on only. The track count is used by the stats collector. Without that, auto vacuum cannot access on the candidate table. Does the auto vacuum run? Auto vacuum frequently run on the table based on the parameter called auto vacuum nap time. In case if I specified 5 minutes, every 5 minutes auto vacuum will wake up and check with the table which table needs to be vacuumed and analyzed. Which criteria vacuum run on the tables? Below the parameter vacuum run on the tables. First one is auto vacuum vacuum threshold. Second one is auto vacuum vacuum scale factor. Auto vacuum vacuum threshold. If we specifies the number of rows of the table has been updated or deleted, needs to trigger vacuum any one of the table. In case if I specified 20 in the parameter, my table 20 rows are updated or deleted by automatically vacuum has been initialized on it. Auto vacuum vacuum scale factor. This is a value between 0 to 1. We can give the value 0.2, 0.3 like that. The default value is 0.2, which means 20% of the table size has been changed. It marked for the vacuum operation. Why we need auto vacuum vacuum scale factor? Let us consider we have the only parameter called auto vacuum vacuum threshold. If I specified 3000, whatever the 3000 rows updated or deleted, only those tables are allowed for the vacuum operation. In case I have the small tables which having 500 rows or below 1000 rows, those tables would not meet this criteria, so it won't allowed for the vacuum operation. This kind of situation we have to use for the auto vacuum vacuum scale factor. Which criteria analyze runs on the table? Auto vacuum analyze threshold specifies the number of rows on the table as changed for update or deleted, needs trigger analyze on any one of the table. Second parameter is called vacuum analyze scale factor. The default value is 0.1. The percentage of rows has been changed will run analyze on the table when the next auto vacuum takes up. How the background process of the auto vacuum has been decided. The auto vacuum max worker will decide how many background process can run in parallel. The default value is 3. It will cancel itself when the other operations are running on the table. The advantages of the auto vacuum max worker is the amount of background process will run parallelly. In case we have the huge number of table, the auto vacuum will run parallelly. In case very less number of table, let us consider 10 or 12 tables, we are mentioned more than that, it will consume high CPU utilization. Due to that, the performance degrade will happen. So before we are mentioning the parameter, we need to check the available cores of the CPU, then only we need to mention the parameter.